Seaweed is a key ingredient of pharmaceutical, cleaning, and personal care products like lotions and toothpaste, as well as in edible food such as burgers and various types of desserts. Although a big percentage of seaweed produced in Kenya is exported, there exists small-scale processing by communities along the Kenyan coast. Kibuyuni village in Kwale County is one of the rural seaweed farming communities that have started processing seaweed into various products. After harvesting, the plant is dried on wooden structures before being ground into small particles.
Wakati ukivuna kwa bahari inachanganyika na mimea ile ambayo hai sio seaweed. Kwa hiyo wakati unapoleta kwa racks unatoa hizo unwanted, then unaiacha kwa 3 days if it is sunny. Kama ni wakati hakuna jua, it can take more than 3 days. So baada ya 3 days mkulima anakuja anaiangalia kama kuna any unwanted material imeingia, anatoa then anapack na kuuzia kampuni ama cooperative yake.
Yes. Na watu kikausha ikiwa imekauka tunaweka kwa magunia kama society, mkulima analeta mwenye wake, tunapima na analipwa na tunaweka kwa store. Sasa hii ndio store yetu. Tumekuja na bahati mbaya tumesafirisha tayari container moja 20 tons ndio unaipata kwa empty, lakini tuko nayo kidogo kidogo tumehifadhi. Nimesikia kwamba tunajaribu kuivalue ili tupate yale manufaa sisi pia kama community, kwa sababu tukijaribu kuuza kama raw, faida yetu watu tunapata kidogo sana, lakini tumeonelea tukivalue tunapata faida kubwa sana.
So the drying of seaweed is part of a value addition process. Currently already the farmers are attempting to produce value added products out of seaweeds, cosmetic products, shampoos and soap. So after drying, the seaweeds are milled to produce powder that can now be used to make different other products. But also Kirdi and other research organizations like Hemfield are also working on other value addition innovations and programs. Like for example in Kirdi we want to use seaweeds, especially Kappa ficus and spinosum, in addition to finger millet and amaranth and wheat to make bakery products.
In other places like Mazaro, also in Kwale, they have started using solar dryers, which is faster and more convenient. After drying and grinding, the seaweed particles are then passed through different locally made machines to develop different products. The Blue Empowerment Project aims to address barriers for the empowerment of fisherwomen in the coastal region of Kenya. The project focuses on adoption of climate-smart integrated multi-traffic aquaculture of seaweeds and fish for improved livelihoods and resilience.